Very warm good evening to everyone. Welcome back to Stu Code Future Skill Bootcamp 2026. How is everyone doing today? If you are excited to learn something new, give me an emoji in the chat. Quickly, I can see your emojis or say, yes, ma'am, we are excited to learn something new. As you can see on the screen, we are going to build our own AI assistant today. Yes, everyone is excited. Very nice. Aparna is excited. Bhavisha is excited. Arav, very nice. Lots of emojis I'm getting. Good, good, good. So today is going to be different. Normally, we use technology as users. We watch videos, play games, and use apps. But today, you are going to become AI trainers. By the end of this session, you will see how AI recognize things, create art, train your own AI model, and understand how an AI assistant work. Who knows? Maybe one of you will create the next big AI tool in the future. Hello, everyone. Again, my name is Pooja, and I work in the field of education content and technology learning. I love creating books, activities, and learning experience that make technology fun and easy for students. My goal is to help young learners become creator, problem solvers, and confident digital creators. I strongly believe that learning should be hands on, creative, and exciting. So today I'm excited to explore the fantastic world of AI with all of you. At YEP Education, we believe that every child has a potential to become an innovator. Our vision is to make future ready skills accessible to every student through engaging books, projects, and hands on learning experiences. We aim to nurture curiosity, creativity, critical thinking, and digital skills to prepare students for tomorrow's world. We don't just teach technology. We inspire students to use technology to solve problems and create meaningful solutions. So together we are building a generation of confident learners, creators and future leaders with me all. And today all of you are going to take one more step on that journey. So let's begin our AI adventure and discover how machine learn, think, and help us to solve real world problems. Fine. So have you used AI today? It's an interactive poll. You can raise your hands also, or you can write it down yes also. If you have used YouTube, Google Map, voice search, or face unlock, or Google Assistant today. Yes, everybody's saying yes. Okay, Parth has used voice research. Mayank has used Copilot. Aparna is saying yes. Nanesh is saying, Anishka is saying Google Assistant. Very good. Arav is saying YouTube. Nihal is saying yes, YouTube. Mayank is saying that he has used ChatGPT, Alexa. Very nice, very nice. So you have already used AI many times today. Most people think AI means robot walking around, but it's not like that. It's already helping us every day through recommendations, through navigations, through interactions, through voice assistants. So there are so many things by which AI can help us and make and show us the magic which actually works. But I'll explain AI, but before that, we will challenge AI. Okay, so what you need to do, you have to open a software on the Google right now. It's Quick Draw. Fine. I'm also doing it for you. So what you will do, you will open your Google and just write it down. Quick Draw. So what you are going to do in this, I will draw something here and AI has to guess it. The problem is that I am very much terrible at drawing. So what actually makes the challenge more interesting, I suppose. So let's see. You are also going to do it with me. So let's see how I am doing it, and then you practice and give me your last score. So let's see. Let's draw. So they are telling me to draw a stake board. Okay, let me try. So I'm drawing it.
I see ocean.
So I'm drawing some. So tires are over there. So it's not able to guess what I want to play. So draw saxophone. Okay, let me try it. Or let's see. So they are asking me to make a spider. So what I will do, get. Okay, it's a very simple one. Let's draw a triangle. Okay, so they are giving me to draw the t-shirt. So let me draw a t-shirt. I hope I'll be able to do it. So I got a score of let me. So this is my score. Now you try it and give me your score in chat quickly. Okay, you can try. Might be some lagging is there while playing the game. Okay, Bhavisha is saying, ma'am, then please give me your score also. As if I'll see my scores, one, two, three, and four guesses are correct. Five figured out are a very good. Nivesh, four figured out. Okay. Quickly do it and tell me what is your score for doing this. Ma'am, I got five on five. Six are there, beta. They might be giving you the sixth one. Full because my drawing is good. Very nice. Siddhant Srivastav is saying, ma'am, four. Parth is saying five. Nivesh is saying six. Akshay is saying six plus. Very good. Very nice. Good, 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 good. So you all have experienced AI today. Very nice. So AI recognized it perfectly. So now you have a mystery to solve. How does AI know what I am drawing? So they are using lots and lots of examples, and with the help of the examples, they can guess it properly. So let's move to the presentation again. Let's move to the next one. So now that you have seen AI in action, what do you know think AI actually means? अगर आपको one word में AI को explain करना पड़े, now you have experienced AI, तो give me a one word answer for that quickly. What AI is all about? Helper, okay. Arav is saying helper. Quickly give me the answers in one word. Machine learning, Arav is saying technology, explainer, helper, okay. Technology, friend, fine. Give me some more answers. Helper, guider, teacher, okay. Lots and lots of answers. Very nice information. Yes. So artificial intelligence basically that learns from examples, recognize patterns and help human perform tasks. But डोंट मेमोराइज दैट डेफिनेशन. जो आपको मेन चीज यहाँ पर अगर वन वर्ड में मैंने आपसे पूछा और वन वर्ड में मैं आपको कहूँ कि आगे अपने दिमाग में रखो, सो दैट इज द वर्ड पैटर्न्स. कि बेसिकली सब कुछ पैटर्न्स के ही अराउंड होता है. आप उनको इन्फॉर्मेशन देते हो, वो याद करते हैं, पैटर्न्स लर्न करते हैं, एंड देन दे असिस्ट ह्यूमंस. फाइन. सो बेसिकली हमें उनको पैटर्न्स रिकॉग्नाइज करना बताना है. पैटर्न रिकॉग्नाइज करने के लिए क्या होगा, अभी हम देखेंगे कि हम कैसे कैसे उनको एग्जाम्पल्स देके ट्रेन करेंगे. फाइन. ओके. सो लेट्स सी हाउ डू यू लर्न. पहले इस चीज को समझो. जब हम कहते हैं कि हम एआई को ट्रेन करेंगे, तो एआई की ट्रेनिंग से पहले फर्स्ट वी विल सी कि हाउ वी लर्न. फाइन. तो हम कैसे सीखते हैं. इमेजिन आपके एक बेस्ट फ्रेंड या एक फ्रेंड अभी बने हैं, ठीक है. द फर्स्ट डे यू मेट देम, डिड यू नो एवरीथिंग अबाउट देम? नो. फर्स्ट डे तो आपको उनके बारे में नहीं पता चलेगा ना. बट देन यू सॉ देम, टॉक टू देम, स्पेंड टाइम विद देम. योर ब्रेन स्लोली कलेक्टेड इंफॉर्मेशन. धीरे धीरे वो इंफॉर्मेशन आपकी कलेक्ट करेगा. एंड नेक्स्ट टाइम यू कैन प्रोबेबली रिकॉग्नाइज देम इंस्टेंटली इन अ क्राउड. है ना. तो आप जैसे जैसे उनकी आईज का कलर देखोगे, हेयर का स्टाइल देखोगे, बोलने का स्टाइल देखोगे, हंसने का स्टाइल देखोगे, तो आपका ब्रेन जो है वो उसको याद करता चला जाएगा. एंड प्रोबेबली जब आप उनको दोबारा मिलोगे तो आप उनको रिकॉग्नाइज कर लोगे. चलो अब बताते हैं कि हाउ मेनी फोटोज डिड यू नीड टू रिकॉग्नाइज योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड. कि अगर आपके फ्रेंड को आपको रिकॉग्नाइज करना है तो कितनी फोटोज अगर आपको दिखा दी जाए कि आपको समझ आ जाएगा कि ये मेरी फ्रेंड है. Okay, DJ is saying one, Arav is saying one, Bhavish is saying seven. Okay, one or two for me. One photograph. Okay, so means if I'll show you one photograph of a person, ठीक है, तो आप उसको रिकॉग्नाइज कर सकते हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अब पिछले 5-6 सेशन से आप मेरे साथ पढ़ रहे हो, तो इन द मोमेंट अगर मैं आपको कहीं मिल जाते हूँ तो यू कैन इजिली रिकॉग्नाइज. है ना. आप उस चीज को, क्योंकि आपने फीचर्स, बात करने का ढंग, वो सब चीजें आपने रिकॉर्ड कर ली हैं, आपके ब्रेन ने रिकॉर्ड कर लिया है. आर कंप्यूटर्स भी ऐसे ही थिंक करता है. सेम आइडिया जस्ट विद लॉट्स ऑफ डेटा. है ना. आप इतना सारा डेटा उनको हमें देना पड़ेगा, नॉट नॉट मच बट इतना डेटा देना पड़ेगा कि वो पैटर्न्स को प्रॉपरली रिकॉग्नाइज करें. इमेजिन शोइंग एआई ओनली वन मैंगो. अगर हम एक मैंगो की फोटो एआई को दिखा दें तो विल इट लर्न प्रॉपरली? यस और नो. यस और नो. अगर एक फोटोग्राफ के साथ मैं ट्रेन कर दूं, नो. So it will probably not. But if I will show him different photographs of ripe mangoes, raw mangoes, green mangoes, yellow mangoes, small mango, large mango, बहुत सारे तरीके के मैंगोज की फोटोग्राफ्स उनको मैं दिखा दूं, then something interesting happens. AI start noticing patterns, color, the size, fine. And eventually, when they see a new mango, and we ask them, so they will say, I know that that's a mango. So we train them with the lots and lots of examples, and at the end they will predict it well if we are giving them a good data. Fine, I hope it is interesting. So let's do a challenge with you now. I'm giving you 5 seconds to solve this. One, two, three, four, 5, 6. Sorry, time's up, time's up. No calculators, no phone, 10 seconds. Now, Devansh is saying, but not within 5 seconds. So a machine, but if I'm talking about a machine, it can solve instantly. For example, right now I'm using a calculator here. Okay? You can see my calculator. So I'm giving the input 5, 6, 4, 3, 7, 2, 4 into 2. ये टाइम तो मुझे लगा सिर्फ इनपुट करने के लिए डेटा को, है ना? बट एट द प्रेस ऑफ एंटर आई विल गेट द राइट आंसर within nanoseconds. So machines are fast. Fine. Machines are faster than human, but humans have imaginations. We have imaginations, we have creativity, we have emotions, we have curiosity, common sense. These all traits we have. And the future, isn't it human versus AI? Take out that myth from you कि फ्यूचर में जाकर हमने दोनों को लड़वाना नहीं है. It's not human versus AI. It's human plus AI. And human plus machine together are unstoppable. Fine? Yes. Okay. Now, let's see what can AI do. So what AI can do? AI can see through tools they have like Google Lens. We will use the Google Lens right now also in the next part of our webinar. It can identify plants, it can identify monuments and objects. AI can listen to us through voice assistant. AI can speak by reading text or answering questions. AI can translate different languages. So we can do all these things with the help of AI. Okay, which superpower would you like to have in your AI? Quickly give me the answer. Which superpower would you like to have? If you want to create your own AI, which superpower you will work on? Okay, it can recognize anything. Siddhant is saying translate. HP saying all of them. Very nice. Common sense. Okay. Arav, nice choice. Infinity knowledge. Parath is saying. Preeti saying all of them probably. Translate. Chandan is saying very nice. Aparna is saying respect. Very good. So ethics is also there. We need to teach them the ethics also. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Excellent answers. Excellent answers. Okay. So let's see what AI can't do, which it cannot do with that. Okay. So let's test. AI can solve maths. We have seen that. AI can recognize languages. AI can translate languages. Yes. But can AI feel emotions? Yes or no? Emotions को feel करती है? No. क्या वो excited होती है? Can you say that it is excited when India win a cricket match? जितने एक्साइटेड हम होते हैं? नो. कैन AI enjoy पिज्जा? हाँ, वो आपको पिज्जा का रेसिपी दे सकती है, बट it cannot enjoy it, smell it, taste it the way we are doing it. We create, we make real memories, but sometimes AI does not remember your last conversation if they are not trained to do that. So AI can talk about emotions. They can give you lots and lots of data for emotions and all these things, but does not experience them. Humans do. That's what makes us unique. Fine. So we need to take care of these things, what AI can do and what AI cannot do. Okay, let's move to the next session. Let's move to one more activity, AI Artist Challenge. So now what you have to open Google, and now you are going to do one more activity, that is auto draw. So ma'am is also sharing link, but you can directly go to the Google and write auto draw and click on it. So what I'm going to draw, I'm going to try a cycle, a bicycle, and let's see what AI do for me. So I'll start writing. You can use this tool for simple your drawing also if you don't want to use auto draw. But if you wish to taste how auto draw works, now what you need to do, you use this auto draw tool. Fine. If you will click over here, there's a pencil sign with some stars over it. So it is showing something magical. So click on auto draw, and suppose I'm going to draw a cycle. So what I will do, I'm creating two, suppose tires. So let's see, I'm getting some suggestions over it. कि जैसे जैसे मैंने ड्रॉ किया है मुझे यहाँ पर सजेशंस आते रहेंगे. सपोज मैंने इसके टायर्स के, and then I'm joining them together, then I'm making this, and then I'll putting the handle over here, then I'm making a seat. So easily they are guessing that I'm uh, going to draw a bicycle. So instead of this is my imagination that I want to show a cycle like this. But once I click it, I'll get a good drawing, a better drawing from auto draw. So basically what is happening, the idea was still human. ठीक है ना. आइडियाज जब अगर आपको यहाँ पर एक सीनरी क्रिएट करनी है या आपने यहाँ पर कुछ इमेजिनेशन क्रिएट करना है, सो आइडिया आपका ही होगा, but simply it is help us to improve it. Fine, that's how AI should be used. कि इमेजिनेशन आपकी ही होनी चाहिए कि आपको ये दिखाना है यहाँ पर, या यहाँ पर आपको हाउस बनाना है. सपोज मुझे यहाँ पर एक टेंट शो करना है. सो आई एम ड्रॉइंग अ टेंट ओवर हेयर, कि मुझे एक टेंट सा यहाँ पर चाहिए, एक सीट चाहिए. तो देखो, लेट्स सी, this is my imagination that I want a tent here. So I can choose this one or that one or this one as per my requirements. So like this way, it will go on. Fine. You really enjoying it? Say yes if you enjoyed this. Quickly write it down in the chat if you're enjoying this. Okay, I'm getting lots of answers. Yes, yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am. Very good, very good. Yes, very nice. Okay, so you all enjoyed it. Very nice, very nice. Okay, let's move to the other part of the presentation. So this we have seen that we have drawn a bicycle very badly, and then we'll get a perfect AI recognized your shape. Okay, now I'm giving you lots of mini projects for you, which you can practice later on, fine, in your free time. And you can take the screenshot side by side, or very soon we are going to upload this on the YouTube. You can take help from there also. And the previous videos are also there on the YouTube. You can subscribe to our channel, suggest to your friends that they watch these videos, and these videos are very much helpful for them in the curriculum. Okay, so let's see your next project. This is your first project that I'm going to give you. Use AutoDraw to create these three things. You need to draw a bird, a school bus, and a tree. So let's AI help improve your drawings and compare the before and after version. Fine. Save your creation. It will help you. To start with, you can practice this. So you can take the screenshot of this, and then we will move further. This is your project number 1 for today. Okay, so you have taken the screenshot. You have taken the screenshots. Give me yes or thumbs up so that we can move further. Okay, fine. Let's move to the another part that I was telling, that in the later part we will learn machine learning, a very, very important part in AI, domain in AI. Imagine teaching a young sibling to identify or difference between apple and banana. घर में अगर आपका छोटा भाई या बहन है, आप उसको सिखाना चाहते हो कि ये एप्पल होता है और ये बनाना होता है, तो बेसिकली व्हाट वी आर टेलिंग देम, आइदर वी आर शोइंग देम द पिक्चर और वी आर शोइंग देम द ऑब्जेक्ट इटसेल्फ. है ना. आप उनको ऑब्जेक्ट दिखाते हो एंड दिस इज बनाना, आप उसको ओपन करके भी दिखाते हो, वैसे भी दिखाते हो, सो दैट इट कैन रिकॉग्नाइज. आप उसको टेस्ट करवाते हो, टेस्ट से भी वो रिकॉग्नाइज कर लेता है कि ये कौन सा फ्रूट है. तो यू शो देम एग्जाम्पल एंड अगेन अगेन, और आप उस फ्रूट को उसको रिकॉग्नाइज करवाते हो. मशीन लर्निंग वर्क्स एग्जैक्टली द सेम वे मशीन लर्निंग काम करेगी. कैसे? वी टीच कंप्यूटर्स यूजिंग एग्जाम्पल्स. The more example they see, the better they become. है ना, जितने एग्जाम्पल्स आप उनको दोगे वो उतना ज्यादा ढंग से अच्छे से प्रिडिक्ट कर पाएगी, रिकॉग्नाइज कर पाएगी। इन एफ आई शो सेम थिंग आई एम टेलिंग यू, अगर मैं सिर्फ एक एप्पल दिखाऊं, एक बनाना दिखाऊं, एक ऑरेंज दिखाऊं, सो इट विल नॉट लर्न प्रॉपरली, इट विल गेट कंफ्यूज्ड। AI needs many examples just like students need practice. Fine. So let's see how AI learns using examples. There are three ways AI can learn, and they are very interesting ways of learning. You also learn the same way. First is supervised learning. Like your teacher says that this is apple, this is banana, this is orange, and you got to know. Labeling. लेबल डेटा आपको मिल जाता है, पेन है, पेंसिल है, स्केल है, या फैन है, कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट है, if we are labeling them कि this is laptop, this is mouse, this is mobile, this is cooler, this is table, this is chair, so this is all supervised learning. You will easily learn it using the labels. Then comes this unsupervised learning कि आपने कोई भी चीज को लेबल नहीं किया, but you are grouping them itself. ठीक है, जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपको बहुत सारे फ्रूट्स दे दिए, एक पूरी फुल ऑफ फ्रूट्स बास्केट आपके सामने रख दी, एंड देन वी आर टेलिंग यू टू ग्रुप इट इन द सिमिलर थिंग्स। तो व्हाट यू कैन डू कि आप उसको टच करोगे, आप उनको देखोगे, माइट भी दो तीन केले एक जैसे शो हो रहे हैं या दो तीन सेब एक जैसे शो हो रहे हैं, आपने उनको सेग्रीगेट कर दिया। फाइन। कि आप जैसे पेन, पेंसिल, रबड़ ही अगर हम आपको दे देते हैं, तीन स्टेशनरी या चार स्टेशनरी के आइटम्स आपको देते हैं, यू कैन इजीली फाइंड आउट द सिमिलर ग्रुप्स। आप उनकी ग्रुपिंग कर सकते हो। आपने ये चीज इंग्लिश मैथ्स में आपको ऑड वन आउट करवाया हुआ है ना, स्कूल में ऑड वन आउट करवाते हैं, तो वो क्या है, वो अनसुपरवाइज ट्रेनिंग ही तो है कि आपको बताया जाता है कि जो इस ग्रुप का नहीं है उसको रिमूव कर दो, यस और नो कहा जाता है इस तरीके से, ठीक है ना। तो आप इस तरीके से अनसुपरवाइज लर्निंग से भी सीखते हो। हाँ, एरर्स होते हैं बट आप सीखते हो। इट्स अ स्टाइल ऑफ लर्निंग। वी डोंट से कि इट्स अ बेस्ट स्टाइल ऑफ लर्निंग, बट इट इज अ स्टाइल ऑफ लर्निंग बाय विच वी कैन लर्न थिंग्स। एक लर्निंग स्टाइल है ये। सेम एज रीइंफोर्समेंट। रीइंफोर्समेंट से भी लर्निंग होती है। आप अपने पेट को ट्रेन करते हो, ठीक है ना, अगर वो कुछ, या आप भी अपने आप को जैसे ट्रेन करते हो, समटाइम्स आप ऐसा काम करते हो, योर पेरेंट्स आर वेरी मच हैप्पी, वो अप्रिशिएट करते हैं आपके काम को, इट्स वेरी गुड इफ यू हैव डन दैट। बट इफ यू आर डूइंग अ रॉन्ग एक्शन, दे विल आस्क यू कि या तो आप इसको दोबारा ट्राई कर आओ, खुद सोचो ये कैसे होगा, या आपको अवार्ड्स मिलेंगे। तो आप उन सब चीजों से भी सीखते हो, ट्रायल एंड एरर से भी सीखते हो। समटाइम्स इन मैथ्स ऑल्सो देर आर फ्यू क्वेश्चन जो आप ट्रायल एंड एरर से ही सॉल्व कर पाते हो। सो दिस इज ऑल्सो अ रीइंफोर्समेंट लर्निंग विच हेल्प अस टू लर्न। सो द three things are in the AI also. AI also learns with these three things. Okay. So which type of learning sounds easiest? कौन सी वाली easy लगती है आपको? Quickly give me the answer. Okay, Nehal is saying supervised. Dashmesh is saying unsupervised. Okay. Arav is saying supervised. Siddhant is supervised क्योंकि supervised is safe. है ना, सेफ लगती है हमें कि आपने लेवल बता दिया उसको कि ये चीज है, ये चीज है, एंड देन ही हैज टू लर्न। ओके, नाउ वेरी मच एक्साइटिंग पार्ट ऑफ टुडे सेशन, वी आर गोइंग टू ट्रेन एआई। ओके, सो बी अटेंटिव। फाइन। तो अभी जो हम सीखने जा रहे हैं वो बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग होने वाला है। सो वी आर यूजिंग द सुपरवाइज लर्निंग। चलो, अगर आपको कहते हो कि सुपरवाइज लर्निंग इज द बेस्ट, सो वी आर डूइंग द सुपरवाइज लर्निंग using the teachable machine. Now you will ask, what is a teachable machine? So teachable machine is a tool, a free tool by the Google that help us train AI models using our own images, our own sounds, pictures, posts with writing no code. कोई कोडिंग नहीं करेंगे हम, बट ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप करेंगे, इमेजेस अपलोड करेंगे, AI ट्रेन करेंगे, एंड देन वी विल test AI. So it's going to be very interesting. Let's see how we'll do it. We will take two classes. Two classes means कि हम दो चीजें उसको समझाएंगे, एक thumbs up करना और एक open palm करना. So we'll train it like this way, the way you can see. आप एक बार इस पिक्चर को ध्यान से देखो कि हम कैसे क्या क्या steps करेंगे. We'll capture 15 to 20 images for each class using our webcam. ठीक है? You can do it with your webcam also. And then we'll train our AI. We will capture our images right now in front of you, and then we will test ki whether it can recognize I'm showing them the thumbs up or I'm showing them the palm. Fine. So right now I'm showing the open palm to you all, and this is thumbs up. We know that. Okay. So let's see if we can identify that this is the open arm and this is the thumbs up, so AI can do it or not. So now let's go, and we are going it to use it with the another version of Scratch. So in the previous session we have done the Scratch. Now we are using the other version of the Scratch, which is a Raise Playground. Fine, which is an interactive AI made easy, creative, and fun for us. And we are going to use this. Let's quickly go through the live coding. So for that, I'm again go to Google and I will write here, sorry, Raise Playground, and click the very first one, Raise Playground, playgroundraise.mit.education. You will click over it. This is the screen you will get. I'm going slow, then just drop it down and then you will see Open Playground. So we'll click on Open Playground. Yes, now you can see that they are very much similar to the Scratch we have done earlier. But today we are going to do something very special. So what we are going to do, first of all, we'll click on the add extension. And in add extension, we have a teachable machine. Click on teachable machine. Now we don't require this sprite. I'm adding the sprite. Fine. So on the top of these blocks, you can see teachable machine site. So we can directly go to teachable machine from here, click, and the tab teachable machine will be available to us. So we'll be doing the image project. Before that, I'll just let you know what is teachable machine. So teachable machine is a free tool by Google that help us train AI model. So today we are going to train AI model with the help of the Scratch. So now our Scratch character will be an AI assistant which will work according to the instruction we'll give it to them. So we can create projects using our images, audios, and post projects. So for today, we are going to do the image project. So let's click on the image project and then I will select the standard image model. Here you can see there are the class 1 and class 2 and there is a training model and then there is a preview. So we are going to do this step by step. So the very first class we are going to create, do you remember that? We have just already discussed this. Yes, the very first was the thumbs up class. So instead of class 1, I will write thumbs up, and with the help of the webcam, I have to upload few pictures. So I told you that data must be good. So I will at least upload 50 photographs of my hand showing the thumbs up. So you can see मैं थोड़ा सा कैमरा अपना ऐसे करती हूँ so that there will be a blank screen over there and I'm showing thumbs up. So here's a hold to record, and with the different angles, I can at least show them 50 photographs, 50 samples, 50 or 50 more. So same way in the class 2, I'll be writing open palm. Fine. Again, with the help of my webcam, I'll show them my hand with this and the proper lighting with the different angles. I can add at least 50 photographs. Okay. So I have given the samples, image samples on the class 1 as a thumbs up and class 2 as a open palm. And now I will train my model. So I click on the train model. It will take few seconds. You can see it's showing training. So it is getting trained. जैसे आप चीजों को देख के याद करते हो, वैसे अब जितनी इमेजेस मैंने इसको दी हैं वो इसको देख देख के याद कर रहा है, ट्रेन हो रहा है कि if somebody will show me this picture, so I have to respond accordingly. So let's see, my data is getting trained. Now I can check also in the preview that whether it is recognizing my hand gestures or not. So okay, it is trained. So let me show, if I will show him open thumb, you can see 49% for 37% it can recognize. Maybe there is a little light problem. And if I'll show him the thumbs up, so 63% it is recognizing. It's a open palm में ये output दिखा रहा है. Might be if you add some more edges to do that. So let me show some more images from a different light. So might be I should need my camera to this position and I capture few so that it will hold a proper thumb open up. Okay. So same way in the webcam, I'll run the thumb web also. There is a little different lightning. So let me train my method again and let's see if it guesses properly. Only then it will respond better in Scratch. Okay, it is getting trained. Okay, now let me check if I'm showing him the arm and if I'm showing them the thumbs up. He might be, let me see my camera. See, it is showing open palm and it is recognizing. Let me try this in PRG. For that, I will export the model, upload my model, and I'll get a shareable link over here. Let me quickly create a program for you. I'll use when green flag clicked. Then I will go to the teachable machine blocks. And from here, I will ask them to use the model. I'll copy the model, which I have pasted. Just click on the green flag clicked. Then you can see on the left hand side, orange block, model uploaded. How to check model is uploaded or not? You can see, I can see the classes over here, thumbs up and open palm. So let's do it. So what will I do? First, I will switch on the camera and then I will go to control block. I'll take forever from here and 2 times I will take if and then. If the first prediction, first class prediction, and I will take the second class prediction. So this is thumbs up and this is open palm. Now I'll go to the motion and looks, says hello for 2 seconds. So I'll take it as a good luck. And for thumbs up, open palm, I'm saying hello. So let's see it works or not. So now you can see if I'm showing him. So if I'm showing him the thumbs up, it is saying good luck. When I'm showing him hand, it is showing hello. Good luck, hello. Good luck, hello. So you can see that how it works. You can take the screenshot of this program and later you can practice with your own applications. These both applications will work well with Google. And you need an internet connection for that, of course. So you can take the screenshot. Okay, give me thumbs up if you have taken the screenshot. Nice, very good. Okay, fine. So you can create like this. You can take other gestures also, or you can take the objects also. Right now we have used the hand gestures. You can show them the apple, banana, and you can train the model accordingly. Okay, let's get back to the presentation and let's see what we have for us now. Okay, now you have a mini project. This is a mini project second for to you to for the plant identifier. अब आप क्या करेंगे? एक medicinal plant ले लीजिए, neem, and then you can take a holy basil, like you can say tulsi. तो आप 2 के 50-50 photographs you can have, and then you can train your your teachable machine to guess it. So this is something for the AI classifier. You can create your first real AI classifier with the help of this. Fine. I hope it is clear. You can take the screenshot of this mini project. Okay. Let's move further. Now, why does data matters? देखा अभी आपने कि ये तो हमारा कुछ इंटरनेट का इशू था जिसकी वजह से हम उसको प्रॉपरली ट्रेन नहीं कर पाए, बट व्हेन यू आर डूइंग इट इट विल प्रॉपरली वर्क, डोंट वरी. ठीक है. Now, why data matters? Good data and poor data. Good data means 100 plus photographs per categories is required to train a AI model. And different lighting, multiple angles से आप उसको लो, different backgrounds use करो, clear and focused images. But if you are using less photographs, like only 5 to 10 photographs, lightning is same lightning always, only one angle you are showing them, same background, so they are not a good data. It's something like if good data creates smart AI and poor data creates confused AI. So AI is like a student. Better study material leads to better results. Okay. Now, let's is AI detective. Can you use the Google Lens right now? Give me thumbs up. Can you use the Google Lens right now on your systems? Yes. Then try it. ठीक है. Try one by one ये pictures try करो and let's see what the response you are getting in the Google Lens. Try Google Lens right now and give me the answer quickly. Which is the first image you are getting in the Google Lens? सो गूगल लेंस ऑल्सो वर्क्स द सेम वे द वे वी आर डूइंग इट। ठीक है, गूगल लेंस को भी बहुत सारी इमेजेस पे ट्रेन किया गया है, और जब उसको वैसी सिमिलर इमेजेस शो होती हैं तो दे कैन गिव यू द रिजल्ट। ओके, आरव हैज given me the first one. Quickly write it down, others. So the first one is lotus. Very nice. The first one is lotus. Okay, give me the second one quickly. Google Lens pe dalo, and what information you are getting for the second figure? Yeah, it's a peacock feather. Very nice. Very nice. Which is the third one? Quickly give me the result for third one. Yes, it's Qutub Minar. Very nice. Which is the last one? Which leaf is this? Which tree leaf is this? Find out. No, Parth, it's not Tulsi. It's not Neem. Try it on Google Lens. What Google Lens is giving you? Yes, it's a people. Yes, it's a people leaf. फाइन। सो अभी इन सभी इमेजेस को आपने भी देखा हुआ है, आपने भी सीखा हुआ है। यू कैन ऑल्सो फाइंड इट आउट कि आप इनको भी आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हो। तो अगर एक यू कैन हैव द गूगल लेंस वर्सेस ह्यूमन, बट फिर भी ऐसी बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो आपने नहीं देखी हैं, तो आप गूगल लेंस के थ्रू उनको लर्न कर सकते हो। सो नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू लर्न थ्रू गूगल लेंस। फाइन, गूगल लेंस से आप 5-6 चीजें अपने आसपास की लोकेलिटी की आप उसमें क्लिक करो और उसमें देखो कि हम गूगल लेंस से कैसे हम अपनी इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट कर सकते हैं। नाउ कम्स द ह्यूमन क्रिएटिविटी वर्सेस एआई, अ डिबेट, अ वेरी मच डिबेट टाइम राइट नाउ कि ह्यूमन की क्रिएटिविटी और एआई के साथ अगर हम कंपेयर करें तो क्या होता है। सो हु इज मोर क्रिएटिव, ह्यूमन और एआई? सो लेट्स सी कि हम लोग स्टोरीज, वी हैव इमेजिनेशंस, वी हैव रियल फीलिंग्स, वी हैव लाइफ एक्सपीरियंसेस, ओरिजिनल आइडियाज, बट वी आर अ लिटिल स्लो एज कंपेयर टू एआई। बट इन एआई पैटर्न रिकॉग्निशन है, प्रोसेस डेटा, वो बहुत जल्दी डेटा को प्रोसेस कर लेता है, ट्रेन हो जाता है डेटा के ऊपर, एंड देन दे रीमिक्स द पैटर्न्स टू क्रिएट न्यू एल्गोरिथम्स, न्यू थिंग्स, एंड इट is very very fast. Millions and millions of data that they can read or litter in just few seconds. Fine. So this is exactly what project 4 of Kaushal Bodh is trying to say you, to create your own AI by using the teachable machine or using the raised playground. You are going to try it today and it will work for you. Might be there is some internet issue here, but for you it will work fine. Okay. When we upload this video, write it down in the in the comment box ki whether it's working for you or not. Fine. Okay, now let's see the project for connection that we are telling that you have to meet your AI assistant, you have to create your AI assistant. Suppose आपके एक locality में एक new student आया है, एक new बच्चा आया है आपके यहाँ पर, जिसको अभी आपके local plants, फूड, बर्ड्स और फेस्टिवल्स के बारे में इतना नहीं पता। यू वॉन्ट टू क्रिएट अ हेल्पफुल गाइड फॉर दैट। तो आप स्क्रैच यूज करके और टीचेबल मशीन यूज करके आप उसके साथ इंटरेक्ट करवा सकते हो। यू कैन हेल्प देम टू आइडेंटिफाई द प्लांट्स, your local food or your tourist spots around it, so that you can do with this. So this is the project that you have to do. For that project you have to brainstorm it first. Fine. So what are your ideas? अगर आप इस तरीके का AI assistant बनाना चाहते हो तो what are the things that you want to add in this AI assistant? What are the things you are going to add for your friend? Quickly give me the answer. Animals, okay. स्मार्ट मैथ सॉल्वर, प्लांट्स ऐड करोगे, ओके, प्लेसेस, ठीक है, एनिमल्स, ओके। somebody saying कि why we are creating AI program for this, why can't we tell them all this? आप सारी चीजें उनको नहीं बता सकते हो। if we have 50 to 60 type of plants here, 20 to 30 types of food items here, so for that you need AI, और AI is good at repetitive works। माइट भी आपने एक बार जब ये टूल बना लिया तो दैट टूल इज गोइंग टू हेल्प अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल टू नो अबाउट योर सिटी, और कोई और नया बच्चा आया वो उससे सीख सकता है, आप अपनी सिटी से, सिटी के बारे में लोगों को बता सकते हो। सो इट्स बेटर टू क्रिएट अ टूल। फाइन, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट कि अगर आपने मतलब माउथ टू माउथ आपने उसको सारी बातें बता दी कि ये सब चीजें हम कर सकते हैं, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट। फाइन, आप बनाना चाहिए उसको, इसीलिए हम उसको यूज करते हैं। फाइन, कि वो कोई भी शो करे इमेज और उसको पता चल जाए। ओके, एनिमल्स के लिए बताएंगे, और बताओ। ओके, सो लेट्स सी दैट। We will tell them about the local food. We will tell them about the plants we have, the tourist places, the festivals that we are celebrating in our society, or local languages which we are using. Sometimes you say कि common words हमारे यहाँ पे ये words use होते हैं, phrases use होते हैं. These are the animals that you can see around us. These are the plants we have in our society. So all these things we can put it in our AI. Fine. Now, how to collect good data? First of all, quality photos, smart AI. Keep this thing in your mind. Different lightnings, morning की light use करो, noon का sun use करो, cloudy day, indoor lamp, outdoor. Each teaches AI something new. Different angles, फ्रंट व्यू, साइड व्यू, टॉप व्यू. बिकॉज जब आप किसी इमेज को देखते हो तो आप भी उसको पूरा 360 डिग्री देखते हो. बट एआई को अगर आप एक फोटोग्राफ देख दे रहे हो तो वो प्रॉपर डायमेंशंस नहीं देख पाएगा. तो आपको प्रॉपर पूरा व्यू देना है. डिफरेंट बैकग्राउंड्स शो करो, क्लियर एंड फोकस्ड पिक्चर्स होनी चाहिए. सो दिस इज द वे यू कैन कलेक्टेड. तो आपने देखा, आपने पहले ब्रेनस्टॉर्म किया आइडिया को. यहाँ पर भी हम कॉम्पिटेशनल थिंकिंग यूज कर रहे हैं कि हमने पहले उसको ब्रेक इट डाउन किया. अब हम ये प्रोसेस कर रहे हैं कि हम किस तरीके से उसका डेटा कलेक्ट करें. नाउ वी आर राइटिंग स्टेप बाय स्टेप इंस्ट्रक्शंस that how my workflow will go. First, the very first, this is the algorithm that I'm doing. I'll collect the data. I'll take 50 photographs per categories. Then I will organize the data. मैं उसको category wise folder बनाऊंगा, sort करेंगे उसको. Then I will use a teachable machine to train my data. Then I will test it properly, and that is going to help the user in completing that task. So again, computational thinking we are using in creating the AI assistant also. Okay. Now these are some future AI projects. There are lots and lots of possibilities. You can create a AI project for plant identifier, for bird identifier, for healthy food detectors, for waste segregation, for locality guide. So you can do any project. You can select any project if your school is going to have the project on Kaushal Bodh book 7 project 4. So you are trained today on that. You can easily complete that project after watching this video on the YouTube once we upload it. Okay. Now, next, let's have the quick time. We have 5 quick questions to revise what we have done today. So give me the answer in the chat quickly. The very first question, what does AI stands for? Give me the complete answer. Don't write A, B, and C. Give me the complete answer. Once you will write it down the complete answer, you will able to learn it properly. Yes, it's a artificial intelligence. Very good. Okay, let's move to the next question. Which tool did we use to train an AI today? We have used AutoDraw, we have used Google Lens, we have used Teachable Machine. With which tool we use to train an AI? Yes, the answer is very nice. I'm getting lots of answers. Very nice. The answer is Teachable Machine. So now you can easily segregate that, which tool we used it as an AI and which tool we use to train an AI. Very nice. How many photos are needed for a good AI training? 550 plus photographs or just one photograph? Quickly tell me the answer. Yes, yes, yes. I'm getting all the right answers over here. Everybody is writing the correct answer. 50 plus photographs are required to train a good AI model. Very nice. Okay. Now which is something AI can't do? Recognize plants, feel emotions, or translate languages. What is a thing that AI cannot do? Yes. Feel emotions. Can tell us about the emotions कि emotions कैसे होते हैं, कैसे हम sad feel करते हैं, कैसे हम happy feel करते हैं. वो emotions को बता सकता है but वो feel नहीं कर सकता. Very nice. Okay, let's move to the next part of the question. Okay, I think we have done with the quiz time now. Amazing work, AI explorers. AI, the most powerful when humans and machine work together. So what we have done today, we have done what is AI, how it learns. We have used AutoDraw, we have used Translator, we explored the Google Lens, then we build our own AI assistant using the Teachable Machine and Raise Playground. So we have done a very nice thing today. Congratulations, amazing work, AI Explorer. Today you challenged AI. Watched AI create arts and train your AI models, use Google Lens, explored and learned how AI assistant work. Most people use AI every day, but very few have actually trained on AI, and today you did it. you train AI today. Remember, AI is powerful, but creativity, curiosity, imaginations are human strength. It's our strength. So the future belongs to the people who combine all of them. So thank you, students, for so keep learning, keep exploring, keep experimenting, and keep building